What's up guys, Derrick from Heart Media Group, and today I want to talk to you guys briefly about the importance of sales and how sales focused you have to be as a new business owner or an entrepreneur. Guys, as soon as you start your business, I don't care what your title is, you're not an engineer, you're not an accountant, you're not a graphic designer, you're not an IT person, you are a sales person. That's who you are. You're a sales guy, you're a sales gal. You sell, that's what you do. And if you've never done this before, if you've never entered the sales game, it can be frightening. It can be a little weird. You don't really know. I've never really bothered people. I never had to pick up the phone and call people that have never talked to me before, don't want to talk to me. I'm running into rude gatekeepers. It sucks. But you guys have to understand, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to start your own business and you're serious about this, you have to sell. You have a brand new product, a brand new service, or brand that no one has ever heard from, and you want people to buy from you. For one, you gotta get in front of those people, whether it's a networking group, whether you're DMing and setting up a coffee, meeting at Panera or Starbucks, wherever, whether you're knocking on doors in the cold, whether you're picking up the phone and calling gatekeepers, however that situation looks, you have to, one, get in front of the right people, and two, once you get in front of them, if you're lucky enough to do that, you have to convince them to buy from you and no one else. Not XYZ company that's been around for 10 years, that's got 5-star Google reviews all over the place. Not this company, not that company. Your brand spanking new company, that's who you gotta convince them to buy from. And if you don't have your sales hat on, if you're not very sales focused, if you're not doing everything all day, every day to get in front of people and sell, your business is gonna crumble. So again, man, for you guys that are out there thinking about making the plunge, thinking about starting your own company, you've always wanted to be an entrepreneur, you've always wanted to be your own boss, you have to understand that as soon as you do that, you are a salesperson 100%, and you have to sell or you won't have a company at all.